What's good with it, guys, man? I'm back with another video, guys. Man, we doing a little cleaning up, man, so we just making a little quick video. First of all, man, when I collect shit, I collect stuff, but I don't like my house looking like this. When I say my yard is completely messed up, man, even like I got this pile sitting there, grass growing around, and I got that over there on the fence. So even though I know I ain't gonna get enough, man, bro, we're gonna take all that scrap, man, to the scrap iron tomorrow. I got stuff all over here for days, man, you know what I'm saying? And some of this shit can go for sale. Like, I got hubcaps and everything, but I don't think I'm gonna sell the hubcaps. The fact that I got the box covers, but everything else, man, we're gonna get rid of. So first thing first, if y'all see this pile, man, I got grass growing around it, and I don't want my kids to try to come out here and, you know what I'm saying, so I'm be in this pile. But not only that, I know it's not enough, but it's just sitting here, man, it's not gonna do anything but, damn, trailer. And I'm tilting the trailer on flat. Trailer's on flat, but I got an air pump. I'm gonna move the trailer, man, I'm gonna throw that, so I'm gonna get y'all the, this is just one of them daily vlogs, man. This is a daily vlog, man. It's not the car show today, man, you know what I'm saying? It don't look like it was a lot of stuff, but that little shit got me tired. I got all that, man. That's probably about, it's probably about, what, 50, 40, $35 worth, especially with these steel poles. It's about 40. Then them two buckets, they steel, so it's not too much, but at the end of the day, oh, I got these too. I gotta get those. That's my garage old thing, so we're gonna put those in here. Little stuff, man, so like I said, this is what it looks like right now. Hey, do the scrap people take batteries? don't know. We're gonna stick it on here just in case. I mean, I know it's acid in there, but I don't know if they take batteries. Y'all comment below. I know it might be too late, but at the end of the day, I know in the future. Before it get too dark, man, some of this stuff is some good stuff. You know what I'm saying? Got tires and stuff. I think I'm gonna need tires for spares and stuff, and I got a lot of stuff like this. You know what I'm saying? Oh, speakers and stuff. I might take this. And let me know what this book worth. Like, I know I can probably scan different stuff. I ain't gonna throw it away. See, I see El Caminos. Let me know it's a restoration special. So this radio, I think right here. So we're gonna air the tire up. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drive one of these to work tomorrow. That way I can go ahead and hook up to the truck. I can have it ready. So when I get here, everything will be ready to flow, man. Everything will be A1, man. So stay tuned. Fuel pump. These damn spring things. Like, this just a little bit. I ain't done. I just organized some stuff. I got the trailer loaded up. Got my air pump ready, lined up. Got all that lined up. I gotta put some snake stuff out tomorrow. Got all this stuff lined up. What's good, guys, man? It's the next day. About to see if this thing will work. See, I see the plug-ins right here, so I'm finna test this mug out, man. Here, let me just see if I can make sure it's off. Okay. Okay. That way, man, I gotta move my cars out the way real quick so we can get that taken care of, so I can hook the trailer up. This is what we got, man. Just a little load so y'all can kind of see. We're gonna see how it turn out, man. So I know it's not much, but it's some. I know the trailer really, hell, if I can pick it up, I know it really ain't gonna weigh that much, but at the end of the day, like I said, this is, just imagine me having all this at the house. Just sitting there. Yeah, I could have waited and build, but I'm trying to do better with myself by trying to collect, because I'm not that type. I'm not the type to collect junk like this. Even though it's money, but I'm not the one that I try not to collect stuff like this. So, like I said, man, we're gonna take all this to the scrap. And actually, it's my first time going to like a junkyard, so I don't know how it's gonna turn out. All right, and we're gonna go from there, guys. All right, what we have here? He want 8,000 for that mug. Okay, is this the spot? New crushed steel, general recycling. Oh yeah, this is it. All right, general recycling. Let's see. They probably gonna laugh at my ass when I come here. They gonna be keying in this motherfucker. Okay. First time here. Choke jaws called scale. Please do not climb over the rear guard. Stop here. Proceed slowly. Okay, so turn it over, please, man. Like I said, it's my first time here. How you doing? This is my first time here, so I'm doing good. They looking and checking.
The battery, we do purchase the batteries, but we purchase them at the non-Ferris building. So you can unload over here, but either take it back with you or go sell it to them over there at the non-Ferris building. Okay. You got a lot of stuff going on.
Okay.
Let me see, because those little beam things are kind of thick. You see where they want you to go check those.
Okay. Alright guys, so this is what we doing. See, he throwing this stuff out right there. And I don't know if y'all can see in the mirror, but if y'all see behind me. But alright, so you see that big magnet thing? Y'all see that big magnet thing? This for the ones that don't know. Like I said, it's my first time at the damn junkyard, so I'm just showing the ones that maybe don't know also. So I gotta get back across the scale coming in, going out. And they gonna let me know. What did I do with that damn ticket? Now, guys, this better be now we gotta see what we getting. Now, guys, this gonna determine how much we gonna make today. This gonna determine. Then I got a battery back here too. They said they're gonna buy the battery, so let's see what's up. I think I go to this one. Do not box. Not open. I guess he gonna come here. I don't know. So they said they're gonna come out.
I got you.
Alright. So he got me. He said, see, I can park anywhere. So park where the money gonna be at. Ain't gonna be here long anyway. Alright guys, so now we finna go ahead and grab the ticket. And y'all stay tuned. I don't know, it can be $5, it can be $6, it could be $20, $30, $100. Ooh, finna go see. Alright guys, stay tuned. I'll be right back. Okay. Alright guys, so I don't know how much it is. $42. $42.
Please take your cash.
Damn. Man, y'all want to know how much I just made from this, man. Damn. Woo. Guess how much I just made? Damn. Whoa. Man. So I've made $42, what I had, y'all. So that's not bad. Like I said, man, it's not bad. What I had to do, it was an easy process. I ain't really had to unload nothing. They did it with the magnet thing. So shit, hey, it's better than nothing. Gonna sit or get given away. Now we got a battery on the back. We're gonna see how much we're gonna get for this battery. I don't know if I can drive through here, but we finna drive through this motherfucker. Let's see what we can get for the battery. So I'm gonna park right here. They buy aluminum, brass, battery, okay. Let's see. Be right back. Shit, I just got $5.40 for the battery. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. An old battery outfit, just throw away and toss it in wood. That's $5.40. Man, that's what I'm talking about. Then I still got this, so let's go get the money out the ATM for this. And hell, they give me $6. I don't know why it's different. $5.40 and $6. Damn. Now, this is what we just made from the general recycling crusher. All right, so that's 20, 40, 45. That's $48. Almost $50 I just made, y'all. I know this might not sound like a lot to some people. You know what I'm saying? $50 might not sound like a lot, but I guarantee y'all, if I would have let somebody come and get all that stuff at a pile and put it at the house, set at the road, they would have got $50 free. And at the end of the day, I'm excited because it's like, damn, it's just a start, man. It's just a start, you know what I'm saying? $50, man, it's just a start. So, damn, just imagine what a car can get. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, guys, I'm excited, man. If y'all want to turn a little scrap, man, into some money, that's how you make money. And hell, now it's time to grind, it's time to shine. You know what I'm saying? So, y'all just, this just a little thing that y'all